Hello everyone, Samantha here. I pray all is well with you. In this video, I'm making a journal that I learned about from Treasure Books. It's a layered journal. I initially wanted to make this journal and put it in the paper binded journal that I'm showing here or just showed a few seconds ago, depending upon where this part ends up that I'm saying right now. However, it was too wide and a bit too thick. I did use cardstock. She suggested not using cardstock, but thinner paper. But I decided to try it anyway because it's what I readily have available. Is thicker, scrapbook paper. So but I do have an idea going forward on how I can do it inside the paper bonded journal or another journal, and hopefully I will be able to do that in another video. So I just continue to do it with the scrapbook paper, and I did something at the end to help it all stay together. I'm going to leave the link to her video because her video is more like a tutorial. Mine's, I'm just sharing the process. After I stop talking here, I'm going to put some music and probably speed it up like maybe to 4. And so I believe someone can still see what I'm doing and follow along if they wanted to. But again, hers is a tutorial and it's very, very clear on what to do. So, yeah, so that's it for now. I want to say thanks for watching. God bless you. And remember, Jesus loves you. Later.